Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your iPhone and the AirPods Pro Gen 2 have enough charge. This prevents interruptions. Once ready, place the AirPods in the charging case and open the lid while holding the case close to the iPhone. The iPhone should display the pairing animation automatically. If it doesn't, press and hold the case setup button until the LED flashes white. This forces discoverability and moves you into the next step. Tap the pairing card that appears on your iPhone and follow the prompts. This registers the AirPods to your Apple ID, enabling automatic device switching. Make choices about features like Siri, announcements, and spatial audio. These affect how audio and voice control behave. Once the iPhone shows connected, play a short song or video to verify left/right balance and ANC performance. If you use multiple Apple devices, make sure iCloud is signed in so the AirPods appear for other devices. After connection, customize gestures and noise controls in Bluetooth settings so controls match your habits. This improves daily use. Keep the AirPods in their case near your iPhone while charging to allow automatic firmware updates, which fix bugs and add features. If pairing fails, reset the AirPods. Hold the setup button about 15 seconds until the LED flashes amber then white, then try pairing again. If problems persist, toggle iPhone Bluetooth off and on, restart the iPhone, and repeat the process.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.